Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to log into Amazon Prime with another account. If you're trying to log into a different account of Amazon Prime, then make sure you watch this video because I'm exactly going to show you. First things first, let's head over to Amazon Prime Video. Now there is no option within the app of Amazon Prime Video to switch your accounts type. There is an option on Amazon.com application to be able to switch your accounts. In the case of Prime Video, you just need to log out of your current account. So tap on the settings icon on the top right and you'll see an option of sign out and tap on sign out. Once the sign out is complete, you'll again need to type in the details of your second account. Type in your email address or your phone number and the password of your account. And then tap on sign in. And you'll be logged in to a different account. That's the way that you can do it. There's no other way to switch accounts on Prime Video. So that was a video on how to log into Amazon Prime with another account. Be sure to give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.